If you want to build a better marketing strategy, you need to gather as much data as possible. And the best data comes from your customers. That's why scraping review platforms like G2 or Trustpilot can be valuable. Instead of manually reading hundreds or even thousands of reviews, you can now scrape them and analyze them to uncover recurring pain points, what customers love or hate about you, which features matter most to them, and even the exact language they use to describe their problems. That insight can feed directly into your product roadmap, sales messaging, and content strategy. You can also scrape your competitors' review and learn what their customers is saying about them. To do this, we're going to use Apify. If you're not familiar with Apify, it's a platform that has thousands of built-in scrapers, or actors, this is how they call them, and they can scrape any website, including G2, Trustpilot, Amazon, Google Maps, so you can scrape reviews from anywhere. For this example, I'm going to use G2, and I'm going to use also the CXL G2 page. We have around 169 reviews, lots of customers saying different things, what they hate, what they love, what they enjoyed the most, and what they want next. So I'm going to scrape the entire thing, feed this to Claude, and try to uncover insights. So when you go to Apify, just search for your review platform. So for me, it's going to be G2. And we have multiple G2 scrapers. What I do usually is I select the one with the highest review. I've been testing some of them and I thought this one was the most reliable. It's by Stas, I don't know how to pronounce his last name, sorry. So you can use Stas's scraper, just click on it. What you have to do is just go to your G2 page, copy the URL, go back to the scraper. Now we can do this either manually or set this up as a connector on Claude. So let's start with the first one. So you can do this manually, just go to product reviews and just paste your URL. You can select how many reviews you want to scrape. Because this is not free, it will cost you around $5 for 1,000 reviews, but you won't scrape 1,000 reviews. In my case, I'm scraping 50, so it's gonna be maybe $1 or a few cents. So you can cap it here as well. I'm gonna say, let's do 100 and then start. It's gonna take few minutes, but eventually I'm gonna get all the reviews. And there you have it. It took, I think, less than a minute. Next up, click on export. I'm gonna download everything as a JSON file. And now I'm gonna go to Claude and analyze them. So here I attached the JSON file and then I'm gonna run this prompt. Analyze the reviews for G2. I want a clear read on how people actually feel about it. Step number 1, analyze the reviews, give overall scores, identify what people love, what to improve, what features are being requested the most, and language and sentiment. And then step number 2, give me a report, like a quick snapshot of everything that I just mentioned. We're gonna click on run. And this was the output. First, we have like a nice snapshot, a quick summary with the average rating, the NPS score, which is quite high. That's a good sign. We have what people love based on frequency. So expert instructors, that was mentioned in 34 reviews. Depth and quality of content, it was mentioned in 32 reviews. Then we have what people dislike. So we had around 20 reviews mentioning that, you know what, the courses are too long maybe. There's lots of depth in them, which is one of the also benefits, but some people complain about that as well. Maybe the platform UI UX needs some improvement. We get some top improvement areas, feature requests, which includes offline downloads, for example, doing more live courses and instructor Q&A, which is something that we've been doing recently, more live workshops. We have some segment patterns and some main takeaways. So you can get lots of value from scraping, platforms like G2 or Trustpilot. And I think it's even more valuable if you automate this because you want to also scrape your competitors' pages. So to do this, it's better to create a custom command where you just type /review, you add the URL of your competitor, and then this runs automatically. To do this, we need to set up a few connections. So the first one, we want to add an Apify connector to Claude. So you go to Customize, we go to Connectors, and now we're going to add a custom connector, which is this one. So we're going to name it Apify G2. And now the next step, we need an MCP server URL. So go to Apify, click on API, and then click on MCP configurator. We're gonna select Cloud Desktop, and they're gonna give you, some instructions on how to do this. All you have to do is simply just copy this MCP server URL, go back to Claude and paste it here. Click on add, connect, sign in, access allowed, and we're good to go. Now the next step is to create a custom command that can run this automatically. Custom commands, they run and can be created in Claude Code. So I'm gonna switch from chat to code, and I'm gonna run this prompt. So it's the same thing we did earlier, where we have to analyze the G2 page, give overall scores, what people love, what they dislike, what to improve, language and sentiment. So it's the same thing, but in the beginning I mentioned create a custom command, which is \review. And after it, I want to add a URL. Once I do this, your job is to call the Apify G2 connector and run this prompt every single time. So I'm gonna click on enter. And now you will have to accept few permissions, and then this will be created. A few minutes later, it was created. Let's test it out. So now if I type \review, you should see it here. And now next to it, I will paste any URL from G2. It could be CXL, it could be our competitors. I click on enter, and now it's gonna use the Apify connector. It's gonna scrape everything. It's gonna run the prompt and give me the same report. This is the output, and to be fair, this was a bit more in depth, even though I used the same prompt. So we have the snapshot, we have the average rating per year since the creation of this page from 2018 until 2025 and 2026, what people love, what people dislike, same thing, top improvement areas, feature requests, main takeaways, and so on. So this was like an automated way of just running the custom command without me going manually to Apify, copying the URL, downloading it as JSON file, then going back to Claude Chat. This can make your life a bit easier. You can do the same thing with Trustpilot, with Amazon reviews, with Google Map reviews. What you have to do, once again, go to Apify and just search for it. So I can say Google Maps. You can see we have a Google Maps scraper. I can do Trustpilot. You can see that we have a review scraper, and then it's the same process. You click on it, you try it, you go to API, MCP configurator, and you follow the exact same steps. I hope this was useful, and yeah, good luck scraping all of these reviews.